A few weeks ago, I ran a test. I wanted to see if I could build an e-com store from scratch, without ordering products, without influencers, and without waiting weeks to get started. So I gave myself one rule: move as fast as possible, and what happened completely changed how I approach e-com today. I'm Joel from Econ Mastery, and over the past few years, I've tested a lot of systems, products, worked with a lot of different brands, and done a lot of different marketing strategies. And this time, I focused purely on speed and execution. I didn't start with a niche. I didn't try to build a brand first. I started with just one question: what's already working right now? Because instead of guessing, I wanted to follow data. So I went straight to TikTok Creative Center, Facebook Ad Library, and I looked for products already being advertised consistently. That usually means someone is making money. Once I found a product that solved a clear problem, had a strong visual appeal, I moved immediately. Then I built the store in under 2 hours. Super simple setup, strong headline, a problem to solution, clean layout, basic trust elements, because the store itself isn't what drives results. It's everything around it. And this is where things changed. I didn't order the product. I didn't wait for samples. Instead, I created multiple ad creatives right away using existing product content. So within the same day, I had multiple hooks, multiple angles, multiple variations. While most people are still waiting, I was already testing. And I kept the setup super simple. 3 to 5 ad sets, each testing a different angle, broad targeting. The goal wasn't perfection. It was getting data pretty quick. But this is where something important clicked. Every person that lands on my store is data. Whether they come from Google, TikTok, Meta, you're paying to get that attention. Most people only think about the sale. If they don't buy, they move on. But that's a mistake, because what you're really building is a list of people who have already shown interest. So you're building a warm audience. And that's one of the most valuable things you can have, because instead of starting from scratch every time, you now have people you can reach again. So obviously, instead of losing that data, I turn it into something I can actually benefit and use from. So I set up an email automation and actually been using Omnisend. There's a ton of email software tools, but this is where everything connects. Now, every visitor that signs up becomes part of a system that can eventually convert into a sale. And with this, I added a welcome flow to build trust, an abandoned cart to recover lost sales, and also post-purchase to increase order value. Win back to bring customers back. Now, instead of relying on one visit, I can follow up automatically. And over time, this increases the total value of each customer. That's your lifetime value. So instead of thinking about one sale, you're building something that's gonna compound over time. And then I added something extra to push even further, a pop-up. And at this point, I was already capturing emails, but I wanted to increase that number as much as possible. So I added a pop-up to catch visitors who were about to leave or hadn't taken any action yet. And this is the key. You don't just want to send a pop-up that asks for an email. You want to give people a reason to sign up, an incentive. So I added a simple incentive, for example, 10% off or 15% off, or you could do limited time offer. This gives visitors an immediate benefit, because most people aren't ready to buy on their first visit, but if you give them a reason to stay connected, they're much more likely to enter their email. So now, instead of just capturing some traffic, I'm capturing even more of it. And once you have those emails, you can start following up with them, you can send them offers, you can bring them back to complete the purchase. And inside the tool that I'm using, Omnisend, this takes just a few minutes to set up, and it turns even more of your traffic into something you actually own. So what I learned from this process is very simple. The advantage right now isn't being perfect. It's moving fast and making sure you don't waste the traffic you're already paying for. So if you're building an e-com store from scratch, remember this: the product matters, the store matters, the ads matter, but the backend is what helps you stop wasting traffic and start actually building something that can keep paying you over time. I'm Joel again with Ecom Mastery, and if you want to set up your store with Omnisend, I'm going to leave the link down in the description so you can start capturing emails, recover abandoned carts, and follow up with customers and increase lifetime value. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be breaking a lot more videos down. I'm going to be doing a full in-depth video on Omnisend, so stay in the loop, and I'll see you in the next one.